channel. Today we are taking a very much needed beach day. We're gonna get our tan on, our beach music going, put those windows down, and we're gonna soak up the sun. Here we go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh no. Uh-oh, oh no. Oh no. It's September. Okay guys, we are in the month of September now. It's after Labor Day. You know what that means? It's basically autumn. We got a lot of work to do. Good work today. We've done great so far. Now, here it comes. It's gonna be the hardest task of the day, and that is the closet. All right, guys, yes, we're about to tackle the hardest part of the fall season, which is evicting the summer clothes and the summer shoes and all the pretty, pretty colors of summer. And then we get to break out some sweaters and comfy clothes with pretty, pretty colors of autumn. And so I think our best bet, we're gonna start with shoes. Milo, are we ready for this? I didn't think so either. Here we go, the shoes. Hey, no, don't throw these out. But it's after Labor Day. I know. Okay, well, no white after Labor Day, so... But they're so cute. But no, it's no white after. Who even says that? Who even follows that rule now? They say no white. Okay, who is they? You know, them. Oh yeah, well, you know what? I'm keeping them just for a little longer. On the bright side, Milo, at least we get to wear boots now. All right, guys, as you can see, I have quite a pile of clothes to go through and switch out for autumn attire. One of the great opportunities that we have when we switch out clothes for, I do it like maybe twice a year, so we got warm weather clothes and cold weather clothes, but you get an opportunity to look at your wardrobe and be like, okay, do I really wear this? Do I really need this? And those that you say no, and if you're really honest with yourself, no, I'm not going to wear this in the future, it's a good opportunity to get rid of. And you could either do the Plato's Closet, try to make a quick buck, or, you know, give to those in need, like for Teen Challenge, Goodwill, things like that. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to sort through some of these clothes and hopefully come up with a nice pile of giveaways so I can start fresh and start new. Throw away clothes that are beat up, I don't really have a need for, or give away. So let's get started on that. got my sweaters out so we can start putting those on hangers as well to go with boot season. Meow, 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 meow. All right, and now we're gonna go through that bin and we're gonna put some sweaters on hangers. So here we go. We're gonna keep it real simple. All the hangers that I just took off of clothes, use them to put clothes back on them. So here we go again. So we have an update. We have summer clothes in the bin, and then we have a pile of, these are maybes. I'm gonna try these on again, see if I really like them or if I should give them away. If we're being honest, if it's in a maybe pile, then it's probably gonna be given away. But being optimistic that maybe one of those can stick around for another year. We'll see. Anyway, here we have a pretty decent giveaway pile. I have more clothes downstairs that I have for giveaways as well, so I'll find time eventually to get around to doing that. I definitely want to wash any clothes that I've worn, so those I'll probably do a load of wash before I pack them away with my other clothes to give away. And then over here, I am so glad you asked. These are the cutting it close. They can kind of get through autumn, maybe like, you know, for a few more weeks, but eventually these will also go in the summer box. I also have a pile of shirts that I'll probably keep around for a couple more weeks before putting them in the timeout until springtime box, bin thing, whatever you want to call it. I have not gone through my drawers yet, but I will be pulling from them for summer clothes to put away as well as clothes to give away as well. So here we are. It's autumn, guys. I am feeling a little tired from all this running around, so let's get to some relaxing. I'm so ready for fall.